just got married. I still can't believe it. I still can't believe it. Do you see him? He's super hot. That's my husband.
Are you so excited?
Woohoo! It's so cool.
You're getting married! Oh my god! I'm so excited, Katie.
We'll get there.
Looking good, dude. Looking good.
And Downy!
Bryan, little did I know that 16 years ago, I would meet my future husband.
I never thought that I could love someone as much as I love you. We started off as friends, later we became soulmates.
You have become my Prince Charming, my best friend, everything I've wanted in a partner.
You help me be the best that I can. You help me do all I can do.
I love you with all my heart, and I'm so excited to be your wife.
You've driven me crazy since my 19th birthday, and I'm so happy you said yes.
Mr. and Mrs. Bryan Lamas.
We just got married. As you can see, it's a little bumpy. Is that not the most beautiful thing you've ever seen in your entire life?
First official words as you're eating. Right? Pretty attractive. I know. Like, what is with that?
Things keep going as well as they have tonight. They're going to have a long and happy marriage.
I'm so proud of both of you. It's a beautiful wedding. I love you both.